Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change password on Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. To change your password on Windows 11, you just have to hit right click on your start button, then go to settings, and once you are here, click on accounts. Then you just have to scroll a bit, then go to sign in options. Here you will find the option for PIN. Just click on this little arrow, and here you will find the option for change PIN. Just click here, and now here you have to enter your PIN which you have set it before, and now here the option for new PIN which we have to confirm here. And also if you want to create a PIN which includes letters and symbol, you just have to tick this box first and then enter your password. But in my case I'm just setting my PIN which include only numbers, so I don't have to tick this box. And then once you set this up, just hit on OK. So yeah, we have successfully changed our password in Windows 11. If I restart my PC, I have to enter my new PIN for every time. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can change password in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.